Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about multi-level inheritance in C++ programming. In multi-level inheritance, a derived class inherited from one base class can further be derived by another child class. Like in example here we have one class B which is inherited from the parent class A, and then the class B is further derived by another class C, and this type of inheritance is called multi-level inheritance, where we have three classes and the classes are inherited in a chain one by another. And the syntax is, first you have one class A and then the class A is inherited by another class B, so we have written class B public A, and then we have created another class C which is inheriting the property from the class B, so we have written class C public B. And this way, first of all the class A is inherited by B and then the class B is inherited by C, and this type of inheriting structure is called the multi-level inheritance. So in this example program we have one parent class A which has the member function print A, which prints the string class A, and then we have one child class B which is inheriting the property from the class A, so we have written class B public A, and the class B has its own member function called print B, and the function prints class B onto the console. And now we're going to create another class C, and the class C will inherit from the class B, so we're going to write class C public B, and this way the property of class B will be inherited by the class C. And now inside the main method we're going to create one object of the class C. Now we can use the object of class C and we can call the parent class function print B, and also we can call the parent class function print A. So we're going to write object dot print A, and also we can write object dot print B. So now I'm going to save this program and I'm going to run the program, and you can see the output class A and class B has been printed. So this is the way we can use the multi-level inheritance, where we have one parent class A which has been inherited by one child class B, and then the child class B is further inherited by another child class C. And now we can use the object of class C and we can access the members of both the class B and also the class A. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.